Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start right away with a single square sticky note. Don't overthink materials. Fold precise center lines so your dart is symmetric, because symmetry keeps the flight stable. Once the center is creased, fold a corner triangle into the center at about 1/2 to 2/3 depth. Press the crease firmly. Make sure the sticky edge faces back so adhesive won't catch mid-flight, and check that the triangle tip aligns with the center cross for consistent balance. Now you shape the body by folding the triangle tip back over itself once to sharpen the nose. This increases forward mass and improves penetration through air. Then pinch and taper both sides symmetrically, running your fingernail along creases so surfaces are smooth. This reduces drag. Reinforce the central spine with a shallow fold rather than thick layers, because too much bulk unbalances the dart. Once done, lightly lift the sticky flap. Finish by test launching 3 throws from a short distance and observe where darts land. You need that feedback to tune. If it veers, trim a sliver off one wing or add a tiny nose fold to shift the center of gravity. Make changes in millimeter steps so you don't overcompensate. If the sticky edge sticks mid-flight, fold the adhesive under or remove it. Adhesive disrupts airflow. One key troubleshooting tip: if darts tumble, increase nose weight slightly and smooth creases to restore stable laminar flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.